Do you want to know how you can sign up for Ask AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Ask AI. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar to search for Ask AI Sign Up. Scroll a bit down and click on this, which is called Ask AI Questions. And you can see login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and click sign up. After that, you must write down your name, your email address and create a password. So go ahead and write down your full name over here. Then go to the second box and write down your email address, and let's go ahead and create a password. After you create a password, make sure to check it and click create an account. And there you go. You have just created an account. This way you can sign up for Ask AI quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.